started on our second piano lesson. What did we do last time? Oh, something to do with a dog. Wonder where that note is. Oh, it's between two black notes. There's D for dog. Here it is on the piano, and you can find a few Ds. Some are high and some are low. There's a high one. There's a low one. What's coming next? Oh, it's a high one. What's that one? Low. We also had some counters, black ones and white ones, and I hid them under my hat. What's under the hat today? Well, it's a pattern. White, black, white. Play it again. Somewhere. White, black, white. Can we play it a bit faster? And again. See how fast you can play it. Here's another one. Let's see what comes. White, black, black, white. Anywhere you can play it. And let's learn a new note for today. It's C, a cat song.
Cat is coming out to play. Can you find her note today? She jumps, she jumps. She is stepping on her toes. Two black notes and there is C. Down one note from dog note D. She jumps, she jumps. She is stepping on her toes. Cat can hear and listen too. Can she play along with you? You play, you play. You can step up on your toes. She jumps, she jumps. She is stepping on her toes.
Can you show us C?